Hi there, it's Chris from Ambient Activity here to provide a quick instructional video on how to safely remove the computer hard drive from the ABBYY system. As a quick disclaimer before starting, we are constantly upgrading and implementing sensitive and meaningful changes to our systems, so your unit may not exactly resemble what is shown here in this video. But the disassembly shown in this video is the same throughout all of our ABBYY systems. Step 1, power off. To avoid risk of electrical shock, let's first turn off the unit, and the off-on switch is on the bottom of the ABBYY. Step 2, we need to remove the 2 bolts. The only tool you'll need for this job is a 5mm Allen key. This will be included in your hardware kit. There are 2 50mm bolts located at the top right and the top left of your system. Let's start with the top right bolt first. And now let's remove the top left bolt. This time be mindful to hold the front panel so that it doesn't fall open and jar the components inside. Step 3, locating and detaching the support cables to open ABBYY. This is sort of a 2-step process. Carefully open the ABBYY, holding the top of the panel and slowly tilting it from the top towards you. Don't worry, there are a few support cables to stop it from falling all the way down. Notice the screw buttons holding the support cables as an added safety measure. In the next step, we will be detaching the support cables from the screw buttons so that we can open the ABBYY all the way and access the computer hard drive. The next part is a little tricky, depending on what side you are detaching first. In this case, I will start with the left-hand side. I'm going to use my right hand to follow the cable down to the screw button and detach it. You may need to close the front panel on your arm a tad in order to loosen the cord up a bit to help with this step. Now let's detach the other side. Remember, we will have to be careful. Like before, we don't want the front panel dropping quickly, so keep a hand, or if you have someone who can help hold the panel while you detach, that would be helpful as well. Now we can gently lower the front panel as it's on hinges as far as it will go, and it will stop when the support cables are fully extended. Step 5, remove the hard drive. Here is the hard drive, ABBYY's brain, if you will. Your hard drive will most likely have a number on it, and at this point you may want to take a picture of everything still hooked up, just as visual reference. For the most part, every cord has its own type of port. The power cord, an HDMI cable, Ethernet cable, audio cable, and USB cables. The rest are USB cords. As long as they go back into a USB port, they'll be good to go. No specific order necessary. Last part of this step, pull towards you as you detach the hard drive from the bracket. There are 2 screws on the back that attaches it to the bracket. While your hard drive is out for servicing, close the unit back up with the bolts you removed from step 1, and that's it.